I finished this Jeep Rubicon in Las Vegas along with other projects. As I have been regularly mentioning in videos of works from this era, I relocated to my hometown, taking all of them with me. What a migration, where the roof rack broke off, and the toolboxes got a little bit displaced. I avoided rebuilding the toolboxes because I couldn't reproduce the same orange color without the same kind of spray paint. A kind not meant for scale modeling. With a tree trimmer in place, I snapped a few shots of the Jeep and put it on a shelf till I got it out again recently for a video reshoot.